Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is May the 1st on a Thursday, and seeing a nice gap up in the market, obviously, with the earnings last night from Microsoft, Meta, and a few others. But gapping up right kind of in the center between, we're above the 50 now. Got to still have to deal with the 200. See if we can make it up there. I don't know. I'm not crazy about still chasing gaps in here. I'm looking for things that are still kind of maybe setting up for a move out of a range. So that's kind of been my style. Let's dive in, take a look at some setups for today. This AUR has been on the list. I mean, a lot. I like the way this has been setting up. Of course, we are now getting a gap up. It's above all of its moving averages. I'm calling a pullback alert on this if it pulls back to the 750 level. So 750 would be the trigger for me on a pullback. Once again, I do not want to chase green candles in this market, but not yet anyway, so we'll see if that changes in the future. SOFI. I like SOFI because it had earnings the other day, gapped up, sold off, but now it has bounced through its 50 yesterday and then put in a nice little, you can see a nice little hammer there in SOFI. So looking for a break above 1301. Basically just putting it back above that whole number. It's already, I think, gapping up above yesterday's high. Pulte's another one I'm liking. Had earnings back on this date right here. And what I like about it is it held up going sideways after earnings, not pulling back too much. Yesterday, of course, in the open, a lot of stuff pulled back. And look at it, caught that 10-period moving average and bounced. So just looking for it to break through this range high. I don't need to see it take out this one. So the call in Pulte is 103.17 for a trigger. And then SPRY, one that has been pulling back. This is kind of a low float, high short interest, so be careful in something like this. I would need to see it back above the 10-period moving average and it back above this high. So 1448 would be the, I'm actually going to put that up higher. There we go. And SPRY. All right, guys, that's it for today. Keep it tight. Have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.